All right, today I want to quickly show you how you can know exactly who did what on any particular item of aspect of a job. So in this case, I've got a job that was imported from Ubuntex, and you'll see that at each point of the way, there was a note that was system created, who did what at what time. So for example, the job was created by myself, GT, that was the user that was logged in at 12:12 on the 7th of May 2020. And then the order was created and a GRV entry was posted. It was checked in. The PCR was then posted to the ledger at that particular date by that particular user. Now, obviously, this is demo, so it happens all at once, basically. Then the job was checked in, then there's another order that's created, etc., etc. And finally, the job was invoiced. Now, I've just reversed the invoice because I just wanted to show you the effect of one step. So basically what I'm going to go do is I'm going to go and invoice this job again. And I am going to invoice job number 32. Okay, I'm not going to show you the point of this is not to show you the invoicing and all that, but the point is to show you the effect of the invoices. So there's automatically posted a job invoice note, and likewise if I had to reverse the invoice you would see another note there. So at each step of the way there's an automatic note that's posted, and you can also add manual notes as well using the insert button, and that will add that little manual note. So if I only wanted to see what notes I've done manually, I'd click on the manual note, but if I wanted to see system notes, then I'd obviously tick on the little Veculim icon to show the Veculim note. So at any point in the time, any point in the job, you want to see, okay, who did this? Who completed the job? Who invoiced the job? Who created this, or who booked in this part, or whatever? You can go and click on your jobs, or you can look at your notes, and you can see exactly who was logged in, at what time and what day, etc., that they did actually do that particular task. And you can send it to your Excel or print it, or whatever the case is, if you need to do that particular list. So yeah, I trust that will make your admin a little bit more streamlined.